everyone. Today I'm making Resepi Kek Batik with Emmy. First, mash Mary biscuits into the big bowl. Next, prepare the baking tray. Then melt the butter in hot pot. Add full cream milk, condensed milk, add melted chocolate. Whisk together. Then add 1 egg. Whisk until cooked. Next, pour chocolate mix in on the biscuits. Mix them well. Then put into the baking tray. Press evenly. Then put into the fridge and overnight. Yay, I got my own box. Next, put chocolate garnish. Then sprinkle with dark chocolate. It's ready. Doing the same, then cut. Wow, look delicious. Time to eat. Yummy. Sedapnye.